have right here, what year is this? What is this right here?
A 71 Cutlass Supreme.
Okay.
350 Rocket under the hood. New carburetor, new manifold, new headers, you know what I mean? A couple extra goodies, you know what I mean, to push.
What you think this thing is pushing right here?
Oh man, I couldn't tell you that. I couldn't race you then.
I hear you.
You know, I can't tell you everything.
Yeah, well, yeah, that's part of the game. You'll never fully expose yourself. But
never telling yourself.
It's always good to see somebody from the hood doing stuff with cars, man, because, you know, I know growing up, man, I couldn't really ever afford to get my car done right. And when I could, I started going to dudes and they ripping people off. I mean, I know you have some experiences too, huh?
Yeah, that's what made me get into the game, man. I'll go take my car to somebody because I seen it on TV and I wanted my car done like that. And they take you for your money, you get half of what they said they was gonna get. So what I did was went into the business and I knew how to do it. And you can get fairly some of this stuff expensive. It's just all what you want to do in your car, you know, how much you want to spend. You can find a good mechanic to do it for you.
See, that's good to know because I know a lot of you out there that are fixing up your car, you're kind of like at nerve to try to figure out where to take your car at or who you should take it to. You know, if you ever have any questions, hit me up on an email. You can holler at my boy here, Derek at Auto Solutions, and you know he can plug you with you know, whatever information. But you know, the car game, it's always good to have somebody you can trust. It's like trying to find a good doctor. Looking at the interior, it looks pretty original. What do we have done to the interior?
Yeah, I just went all the way back original black, you know what I mean? Just threw the GT steering wheel in there, you know, threw me a deck in there and did a little extras, you know what I mean? Make sure mine wasn't like everyone else's.
Okay, so you got a custom center console in there. All right. That thing is clean, man. 71.
Yeah.
I know this is real popular in Vallejo, you know, and I know you buy and sell cars too, right?
Yeah, I buy them, you know what I mean? I'll fix them up and then I'll get rid of them, you know what I mean?
Okay. Yeah, this is a nice car right here, man. I always like the Cutlass, man. It's you know, this is a muscle car with luxury. You can get it in and cruise, and it's got a lot of room, a lot of power. So you got the Mickey Thompsons on here.
Got the Mickey Thompsons on there. Everybody loves the Mickey.
What do you sound like, though? And it look like you got some beat up in there, and you know, said the motor's been done. I'm trying to hear him.
Officially, I only got one real spanking my entire life. My mom did the best a 14-year-old could do, raising me with love and instilling values that will last a lifetime. I was a straight-A student and lived to make her happy. So how did I go astray? A horrible stepdad that stole my self-worth and invoked fear turned me into a person that I struggled to overcome. From skateboarding to selling drugs, gang banging in juvenile hall, I got caught the same way many young promising men get caught up. I struggled to find my identity, getting mixed up in shootouts, crime, and the adult entertainment industry. This roller coaster continued as I juggled college, hustling, and Hollywood, eventually catching a federal bank robbery case. I found redemption in prison while serving a 120-month federal sentence and came out a man on a mission. I became a social media influencer with over 500 million views on YouTube and a life coach mentoring people all over the world. This is my journey against all odds.
Are you tired of smelling funky? Have you lost your ass? Go to BigHurtAnalysis.com and get your nutsack run.